Hi guys, this is 2016 Toyota RAV4. So this car had problem is steering wheel is center out. You can see it's not in the center. So we have to pull the steering wheel off and put back in the center. So we have to off the battery first. You can see the underneath in here one hole, this one and this hole. We have to push in the pin for the inside using for the screwdriver. So you can see the pin in here. We have to push it. Okay. See the one side is pop out. So then after you have to use the screwdriver and press the in. You can see the bottom pin. Now it's wiggling. Now take it out. Okay, and the pin off. Okay, here's the guy. We remove the airbag, the pin. So one lock in here. We press this lock. This one. And other one is this one. And last one, this one. So we want to off this 19mm bolt for the center for the steering wheel. Okay, we off that one. This one free. Okay, wheel is center. I put the mark in here. So now we have to go anti-clockwise for the steering wheel. Okay, we hit the steering wheel. Now it's steering wheel is wiggling. Okay, take it out. We put this straight, this one, the clock spring. After put back the steering wheel. Okay, you can see the center is a little bit off. I put the mark. All right, wheel is center. Now put back the wheel nut, the steering wheel nut. Going to put back the airbag. Okay, then put. Okay, press the steering wheel back, the lock in. All good, guys. We center the steering wheel. It's pretty straight now. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.